Hello and welcome to ACC League Tools for WordPress. This first video of a series of tutorials will just run through quickly what ACC League Tools for WordPress is and some of the features, the key features that it provides for you. So ACC League Tools for WordPress is a WordPress theme. That means you can install it into a WordPress site and it will provide all of the features you need both for community members and for administrators to manage a sim racing league that uses ACC, that is Assetto Corsa Competizione. What you're looking at now is the home page of a website, the demonstration website that we provide. And as you can see, the home page gives you a list of upcoming events and further down the latest results, which allow you to then drill down into those and see what's been going on. The list of events on here allows you to then click on it and view the details. I'll cover that more later. And we also have sort of pages for all the championships, all of the events. The homepage, upcoming events, only lists those that are happening in the next 2 weeks, whereas this page will show you all of the events that are scheduled. There's a stats page that lets you see stats for the league. So as you can see, how many members, drivers, nations they come from, etc. And then there are driver stats that allow you to see on a driver by driver basis how many races, race sessions they've taken part in, qualification sessions, and so on. Some basic stats there, including a simple valid ratio, which is a ratio of valid laps to invalid laps, and then a report on fastest laps by class, track, and car. We do have a blog where you can actually provide articles for your members. You can write pretty much anything you want there for your members. You can even potentially allow your members to write those. There's an About Us page and a rules page, which are populated based on information that you put in the admin site. So you don't have to go and directly edit these pages. The admin site will provide the tools for those. Equally, this content here above the upcoming events is managed through the administration app. Your members or community members can come to this site and they can register via this button here. They'll fill in this simple form, including their Steam ID. That's very important because once that is entered, this form will also prompt them for, well, either prompt them to choose a race number, or it will allocate them a race number that administrators have pre-allocated. So they register via this page here, or once they've registered, they can log in, and I'll quickly log in using my own or my admin account. And when you're logged in, you have the option to join events or championships. We do support standalone events, as this one here is. That's whereas other platforms typically require you to create a championship, even if you're only going to have one event, one race event. We allow you to create standalone events, and from here you can view the details of it, or you can join it. And when you join it, you're prompted to select the car class, etc. that you want, and that is all set up in the admin app. So that's the member side of it. That's what they can see, what they can do, viewing information, joining events, and seeing stats and personal records, etc. If you're an administrator, as I am, you will have a button, have this button here. This is not shown to users or members who are not administrators. This will open up the administration app, and it's the standard WordPress administration app. And under themes, you'll see here we have the ACC League Tools theme is the active one, and once that is installed and activated, you get this dedicated ACC League Tools menu. And there are various features on here. Initially, you need to use this one to go and set up your site. And so this is where you can provide the front page content, about us page content, and rules page content. But we'll be covering this more in separate videos. And then you've got your list of championships and where you can manage those championships, either by creating a new one or editing them. And you can see you can set up classes, rules, the events, view the standings and the entrants from there. Similarly, for events, you can manage events through an event manager here. You can manage scoring sets. Scoring sets are an important feature when you, rather than define a separate scoring set for each event, you can create one or multiple and then reuse them across events. You can register the servers that you'll be hosting your races on. So obviously this is intended to be used with self-hosting of the events on some form of platform, either on your own local server using the tool that's distributed via Steam or via a game hosting service. And then you have a race numbers manager where you can view and edit race numbers that are allocated, and the pre-allocated or pre-allocations tool, which I'll go into more detail about in a separate video, but this allows you to manually pre-allocate a race number to a Steam ID and email address, or to import a CSV file that pre-allocates them. There's a couple of other features down here I'll mention later, but they're really more about when you do updates. Those are the key features that you have. So hopefully you can see it's a pretty complete set of tools to get you up and running with a community using my WordPress site. And I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you in the next videos where we start to show you how to use it.